I wandered to the water's brink. The waves were dancing fast, and little drops of jewel spray about my feet were cast. Whilst up on high, twixt sea and sky, the seagull wingeth past. It seemed as if the hour were one, when men in silent dread looked o'er the water's placid waves to where the ocean spread. With backward gaze their hands would raise to bless the ship they rear. Now draws the solemn moment nigh, as tools are laid aside. Around the slipways hundreds group, their eyes aflash with pride. And ever near fresh waves appear to join the swelling tide. The maiden ship lies calm, serene, her plumage fresh and bright, her lofty bows in eager poise, a rare and pleasing sight. And bar and beam so spruce and clean shine in the noonday light. The die is cast, and now she moves in her great giant strides. The milk-white launchways cleave a path where sea and land divides, and frothy wavelets dance around her gleaming crimson sides. She crowns her perfect state. The boisterous winds, the billows foam, will be her fitting mate. The measurer of sea and land shall now control her fate.